Hey, look what arrived. Season's greeting from Ryze. And it's just in time because I'm about to have a cup of Ryze because it's how I rise and I am just about out. So let's see what we've got in here, okay? Okay. We are just out. One cup, maybe. Okay, so what's in the box? Let's see. And there will be a 15% savings code, and I believe Ryze is still having Black Friday deals like crazy, so check it out. Get 15% off when you use the Mommy Ramblings code that's in the video description. Make sure you don't forget to use it. Ooh, look. Your new daily ritual is what it says up there. You see? Your new daily ritual. Let's see what we've got here. Got some different. This is I have not tried this, the Superfood Creamer with mushrooms and probiotics. Creamy vanilla. I'm going to be giving this a go. Now, we also got Ryze tasting box. Hey, the latte collection. All right. Ooh, look at this. Well, let's look at this first. More Ryze. More Ryze. We need Ryze. We've even got more goodies in here. Let's see what we got. Okay, I can get 50% off of a dark roast coffee. I've got a little travel pack of the creamer. I have a little travel pack of the coffee. And this is the dark roast, I think. So that's that. And a little travel package of the cocoa. And there's more. Latte. You can get another 10% off, and I believe you can stack the codes, guys. And got a nice little bookmark I can put in my Murdaugh book. Sometimes it's the small changes that have the biggest impacts in our lives. HowIRyze, your daily mindfulness app. Pretty nice. Scan to Grow, that's good. And then we have a couple more things. Mushroom multi-gummies. Okay, give those a try. We've got a booklet here. Got a booklet here. Mushroom matcha, mushroom hot cocoa, handcrafted jar, spoon. For the caffeine skeptic, mushroom chicory. For the chai lover, mushroom chai. It says, and I'm telling you, this has really made a difference in my energy and in my everything. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. And I didn't even know it was going to say, you're amazing. That's so crazy. Okay. Anyway, we've got this really nice bowl here. So let me see. We've got a couple of wooden spoons, which are nice. Let's see. We've got this one for stirring. And this one for measuring. And we've got this with our care instructions here. There's a story of my jar. Here, if you want to read it later. And there's the care. Anyway, so we got this. And I'm going to put some water on and make some, okay? Be back in a minute. So this is the Ryze creamer. I just opened it. That's what it looks like. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla coconut. And I know it says creamy vanilla. It smells, oh my gosh, it smells like coconut flakes. It's delicious smelling. Let's see. Because I don't like perfumey creamers or anything like that. So here it says put a heaping teaspoon in my Ryze. I'll try it. I normally have it with half and half, but we'll try it with this. Let me see. Oh, there's coconut milk powder. Yep, I knew that.
Milk powder?
No. Coconut milk powder. Okay, so I'm gonna try it for a little treat with this. Okay, and then I have to take my I'm going to take one of these. Let's try one of these. This is the Ryze multi-gummy. I've got to take my other vitamins. But here's the gummy. Tastes good. I'll report back to you on that one. We're going to get this coffee fired up and I'll get you when my water boils. Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot to show you. They also sent another superfood creamer. Peppermint mocha. Peppermint mocha was in there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'll have to give that one a try tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys, so let me get the water. We've got the vanilla creamer in here, and we have the Ryze Coffee. And I knew I should be using the wooden spoon, but I was in too much of a rush to wash it. So we'll do that the next time. Got my nice jar here for to put our coffee in. And we got our spoon, our measuring spoon there. Okay, so check it out again. I'm going to test this in just 1 second here. I have the codes for 15% off, and I believe those can be stacked on top of their other savings. So this is so hot I can't drink it yet because I usually put a little half and half in. It's good. It's so hot, but it's good. I really like mine with the half and half. I hate to say that I really like mine with the half and half. I really do. I've just come to enjoy it that way, and it's like the perfect temperature. Not too hot, not too cold. It's perfect. But the vanilla's a nice treat, and I'm sure I'll try I know my husband will try the peppermint mocha. He likes that stuff. And I'll try it too. And but I'm really love my half and half in this. I love my half and half in here. You know what? I don't think I put the creamer in. Did I? I don't think I did. I don't think I did, you guys. I don't know. I'm not sure if I did or didn't. I know I went to put the coffee in, but I don't know if I put the creamer in. All right, let me try. I really don't think I did. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't want to put too much. I want to make sure if I put it in or not, okay? Because I'm really... I'm going to show you something. So for me, the creamers are okay, but like, I'm not going to stir that one up more. I know, hold on. That's because I didn't stir that up when I added the hot water. But I just prefer mine like this. And so that's me. Maybe you like the creamers. That would be great. For me, you know, it's good to have a box like this to start different things, but I know what I like. I know I like the coffee. I like the coffee. And that's this. The Ryze, I like this. The lighter blend. And so for a reorder, I probably wouldn't do the creamers because I'm just more of a coffee fan, but I would do a cocoa because my husband is a cocoa fan too. But, you know, I haven't tried the peppermint mocha. I'll have to see what I like. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy drinking.